the best in
It's
New
the
Zealand.
best university ever.
From Dunedin.
From Dunedin as well.
I'm from Christchurch.
And I'm also from Christchurch.
I'm from Geraldine.
Kia ora, ko luka tōku ingoa, and I'm from Invercargill.
I'm from Christchurch.
I'm also from Christchurch.
I'm based in Geraldine.
I live in Samuka and go to Old Boy College.
We live in Alexandra.
From Christchurch.
From Christchurch.
Mount Aspiring College.
I'm from Wanaka too.
From Mount Aspiring College.
Timaru.
I'm also from Timaru.
From Rangi River in Christchurch.
And I'm from Christchurch.
Probably checking out the courses and the expos.
Going to the halls is really fun, meeting everybody and knowing how it all works for your first year.
It's really beautiful, like the buildings are
Oh
beautiful.
yeah, it's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous, yeah.
I think my favourite moment has been just spending time with Mum at the campus that she used to walk around in for a few years and kind of get to follow in her footsteps.
Even more opportunities than what I did.
The food prices actually. The food's really cheap.
How big the St. David Lecture Theatre was, how many people it could fit in.
Everybody we've spoken to has been so keen to share their experiences.
Informative, hectic, and fun.
Yeah, calm, social, chill.
Architectural. Is
Oh,
it a
yes.
word?
Yep.
Rustic. And
And we'll go
home.
home.
Oh.
Yeah, that's ours combined.
Yeah.
It's good fun here. Yeah, it's good vibes.
Beautiful campus.
Because it's the best in
It's
New
the
Zealand.
best university ever
Yeah.
to exist.
You should study at Otago because I think it will become a home away from home.
Helpful.
Polished.
Exciting.
Informative.
Vibrant.
Inspirational.
Enthusiastic.
Energetic.
Friendly.
Hectic.
Big.
Exciting. Interesting.
Welcoming. Convincing.
Incredible.
Extraordinary.
Busy.
Exciting.
Busy.
Fun.